Little kitty.
Hello kids, let's learn action verbs. Sit, stand, run, walk, jump, fly, dance, swim, sky, hug, laugh, read, drink, sing, listen, wait, play, smile, sleep, sell, wash, fight, clean, cry, write, clap, ride, think. So kids, if you like this video, do subscribe my channel, share to your friends and don't forget to press the like button.
Thanks for watching.